Hello everyone, I'm Jason Gillette, and today I'm going to show you how to get your door key code in your Lincoln Aviator. This is a 2025 Lincoln Aviator. This is going to work for previous model years as well. It's very similar for the older style, but if you've got a 2025 plus model, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So the first thing to get your door key code, you need to have both your key fobs. If you don't have both your key fobs, this is not going to work. So let's assume you have both of them. And the second thing you need to do is locate where your override position is for your key fob. So just down in here at the front, there's a little place, it's right here, that you can actually stick your key fob in. And this is actually a dual purpose slot. It's meant to be able to override needing a signal. So if the battery died in this, or you were just not getting a proper signal from this to your ignition, if you stick it in there like this, then it will override that and you can start your vehicle. But for today's purposes, we do need to use this slot. So we're going to stick the first key in here. Then we are going to press this button and we're going to wait no more than 10 seconds. So I usually wait 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to turn this off. We're going to pull that key out and we're going to, in a reasonable amount of time, put in the other key. Then we're going to press this button again and we are just going to wait. Doesn't matter what comes up on the screen. We're just going to wait. There you go. Factory keypad code. Now you know what I know. Now you have your factory keypad code for your vehicle. I'm going to make another video showing how to change that code if you want a personal code. You can never get rid of the factory code, but you can add additional codes. So thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this content or any other content you want to see, go ahead and throw that in the comments section and I'll get that done for you guys right away. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.